How to change chart height on Phemex. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you want to change the chart height on the Phemex account, then it's super quick and easy. First of all, launch open the Phemex application on your device and log into your account. Once you're in, go ahead and tap on the Markets tab from the bottom of the screen and select any currency pair you want to open the chart for. Once you're inside this chart page, click on this little gear icon at the top right, and in the pop-up, you'll see a chart height slider. Simply drag it towards the right to increase your chart height on the page. To decrease the chart height, you can drag it towards the left. Now go ahead and select your desired chart height, which is easier for you to read, and there you have it. That is how you can change the chart height in Phemex. Now your Phemex chart should be easier to view and analyze. A larger chart can make it much easier to spot trends, draw lines, and manage trades more comfortably. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.